Model G2 is available with load capacities from 4 up to 100 tons and gripping ranges from 0 to 229 millimeters. For capacities of 10 tons and more, the clamp is equipped with top rollers for an easier transportation on the floor. This model is equipped with the lock-open, lock-closed feature. For attaching this clamp to a load, open the safety device, attach the clamp onto the load, and close the safety device before lifting the load. What makes this clamp model stand out are its most infinite load capacities.